Okay, welcome back to the angles part 3. Okay, now here in this linear pair of angles. The third one is linear pair of angle. Linear pair of angle is nothing but if two adjacent angles are forming a straight line. Linear nothing but it's a straight line. If two adjacent angles I am seeing here, just see adjacent angle as you are already in second part you have seen AOB and BOC. These are two adjacent angles. These are forming straight line. Straight line is nothing but it is 180 degree. If it is forming, these pair are forming 180 degree, then we call it as linear pair of angles. Here, the angles has to be adjacent, means they have to have one common arm or common vertex. Let's see one example here. If I take angle AOB, say 120 degree. AOB is 120 degree. Then BOC angle BOC as 60 degree. Angle BOC as 60 degree, then the angle, the complete angle AOC, the linear pair of angle forms 180 degree. Then these two angles are called as a linear pair of angles. Okay. So now fourth one is complementary angles. Complementary word, complementary is nothing but if two angles, two different angles form together 90 degree. If a sum of two different angles is 90 degree, then we call it as complementary angles. See, now till now I am spoken about adjacent angles, so vertical, opposite angle, linear pair of angles. In that common arms or common vertex was there. But here these are two different angles I am talking about. Their sum should be something is equal in that complementary and supplementary. This is the difference between other angles and these two angles. Now here say for example, if I take this as a 60 degree, then this is 30 degree. The sum of two different angles should be 90 degree. If a pair of angles are two different angles, sum is 90 degree, then it is called as complementary angles. So say angle AOB is 60 degree and angle POQ. I have taken here different names purposely. So this is 30 degree. So together, now sum, I am not writing here together, AOB plus POQ is 90 degree. Then they are complement to each other. So which kind of example you get here? They will give you the angle, complementary angle for 60 degree is how much? 30. You have to make a sum for 90 degree. Okay, remember the word complementary comes, then you have to remember it's a 90 degree. What is complementary for 45 degree? So nothing but it's a 45 degree. What is complementary for 10 degree? It's a 80 degree. In an example, we will see that in the detail. Now here last angle is supplementary angle. So supplementary angle is same like complementary something and same like linear pair something. Okay, so it's a mixture of both, but it is different from both also. So supplementary angle is nothing but if a pair of angles, after two different angles are two angles, sum is 180 degree, then we call it as supplementary angles. Two different angles have a sum of 180 degree, then it is supplementary angles. Okay. Now what is common, what is different, I will show you. Now here the sum of two different angles, here also two different angles are there. Here sum is 90 degree, here sum is 180 degree. Okay, this is a common thing from complementary. Now what is a common thing from linear pair? Here also sum is 180, here also sum is 180. Okay, what is the difference then? Here the angles are adjacent. Okay, here they have common arm or common side, but here these are completely different angle, but sum is 180 degree. This is what difference from here. So now if I take angle XOY, let me take 120 degree here, 120 we have taken here, so let me take here 130. Okay, these are the just diagrams for your explanation I am giving. 130 degree. Then ROS, angle ROS is 50 degree. Okay, ROS is 50 degree. Then the sum together XOY plus ROS is 180 degree. Then they are supplement to each other. Okay, so here this is 130 degree and this is 50 degree. Okay, together it is 180 degree. Here also same example, they will ask what is supplementary for 110 degree. Okay, so 70 degree is supplementary. What is the supplementary for 100 degree? 80 degree angle is supplementary for 180 degree. So supplement comes when a word it is 180 degree sum. Complementary comes it's a 90 degree. Then linear pair is the place very easy. It's a linear means line. The angle should form, the pair of adjacent angles should form a straight line, then 180 degree. Then we call it a linear pair of angles. Okay, so these are the three parts which I had explained about type of the angles. In next part we will solve about the examples on these angles. Okay, if you like my teaching, if you like the concepts, please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel, Maths Root Classes at Shivprakash SK. Okay, thank you.